Watch this every morning. Best Morning Motivational Speech 2023. I'm strong and brave, and I'm not afraid to go after what I want and embrace success. My drive moves me towards my goals and makes sure I'll reach them. I'm a kind person with big dreams who finds happiness in every part of life. I'm on the right track and working harder than anyone else. I don't care about other people's bad vibes. I'm happy with what I see in the mirror and sure of who I've become. When I start something, I know I have to finish it. I enjoy the work I do and have faith in the journey. I'm used to winning, and I'm on my way to doing great things. I follow my dreams with all my heart and love who I am. I'm happy with where I am now and don't worry about making mistakes along the way. I make my own happiness and am grateful for what I have. My actions make people feel good and spread positivity, which leads to success. No one can shake my self-confidence, no matter how hard they try. Nothing bad can get through my armor because I have the skills I need to win. I am always moving forward, unburdened by mistakes from the past, and I help other people as I go. My dedication to doing my best is clear, and it drives me to financial success and good health. I keep going and refuse to give up. I'm always thankful for what I have, and I never lose my inner strength. My commitment to improving myself is strong. My bravery and determination have no limits. I always rise above challenges and climb mountains of any size. Every problem is a step toward success and a sign of how great I am. I am not afraid. I have everything I need to win. Since my skills match my goals, I'm destined to succeed. I'm making a mark that won't be erased. A life of excellence is what I deserve. Greatness is close to me and I feel it in my mind, body, and soul. I was born into a world of plenty, which includes everything I've set out to do. I deserve it because I worked hard and got ready. I can handle any challenge, and I have no trouble getting through hard times. Even when things are hard, I stay strong and accept the struggles as part of my journey. I'm able to appreciate the best parts of life and savor them. My thoughts and ideas are important and make up the tapestry of life. When problems come up, I step forward with a plan, handle them with skill, and close deals with confidence. I am the one who decides what will happen to me and how it will happen. I'm in charge, and there are no limits to what I can do. I don't care about the word impossible because I like to push limits. The world is a huge place with a lot of different things to do and explore. I am brave, steady in the face of difficulty, and determined to reach the top of my field. Self-doubt doesn't live in me. Instead, I engage in healthy competition with the skills I need. I'm always sure of what I want to do, and I've stopped making excuses for being myself. Now is my chance to shine brightly, and the path to success is clear. I am shaping my future by being open to change and refusing to be limited by rules. My determination pushes me towards success, and I never give up. I choose to be positive every day, which gives my journey a bright glow. People in my circle help me grow and reach my goals because they are inspiring. My vision is clear as a bell, and I'm confident in my skills. I know how to be successful because I have what it takes. The river of progress flows on, and I keep moving forward on it. I'm the personification of success because I'm strong and don't have any fear. I make my own identity by embracing my hopes and dreams. I'm standing here as the person I've always imagined myself to be. My goals are not just wishes, they are real things I want to achieve. My very nature is to be good, and I have big dreams while loving the present. I went in the right direction by starting down a path that was paved with hard work. I don't know how to give up, so I keep going even when things get hard. Negativity from other people doesn't bother me because I stay true to myself. The mirror shows that I'm happy, and for every project I start, I finish with full commitment. My desire to work hard hasn't changed, and I trust the journey that lies ahead. I enjoy the challenges I take on and put my trust in how the journey will go. From the time I was born, victory has been a part of me. I am on my way to great accomplishments. It is written in the stars that I will do great things. I am determined to reach my goals, and I stand tall like a conqueror. I shine brightly in a world that celebrates differences because I embrace what makes me different. I try to be thankful for where I am in life and am not afraid to admit my mistakes. Happiness is in my reach, which is a gift I treasure. My heart is full of gratitude, which makes me feel like everything is going to be okay. My very existence serves as a source of motivation for other people. I am a force to be reckoned with. I'm a single entity that can do amazing things. I'm a beacon of courage because I have inner strength. I keep going forward, even when things don't go as planned. I can't be moved by anything outside of myself. I'm as strong as a fortress. Negativity can't take root in me because I'm aware of the things inside me that help me succeed. Self-assured and sure of myself, I use the skills I was born with. Lifting other people up comes naturally to me, creating an environment where we can all grow. I keep going in the same direction, unburdened by the pain of the past. My drive to be the best keeps me going, and I take on challenges with unwavering effort. My desire for wealth knows no limits, and success and wealth are always with me on my journey. Mind and body work together in a way that is healthy and happy. I give my all to everything I do with unwavering determination. My motto is, don't give up, and I won't let problems stop me. My heart is full of thanks for all the good things that have happened to me, and this makes me want to reach even higher. I have a power that can't be matched, and I use it by being truly committed to my own growth. I have a strong will and don't give up when things get hard. Even though the mountains I face are big, I can't be broken. I'm a shining example of courage and the strength of the human spirit. I rise above problems and get around any obstacles in my way. Fears melt away before me, so they can't get in the way of what I want to do. My actions speak for themselves. They show success and determination. I'm writing my name into the history books and making sure I deserve the best things in life. Every part of me is filled with greatness and vibrates with strength and vitality. I am a magnet for success and a container for unlimited wealth. I have faith in myself and what I can do. I've worked hard to get where I am now, and I'm ready to take on any challenges that come my way. My goals are within reach, and I know how to deal with hard situations. I can deal with both hard and happy times. My thoughts matter, and I can handle different situations well. I know how to deal with things and make things happen. I'm in charge, and there's nothing I can't do. I am brave and can do things that seem impossible. I won't give up because I'm good at what I do. I'm giving up negative self-talk and putting my attention on positive thoughts. I have all of the skills I need to compete at a high level. I'm always sure of what I want to do, and I won't apologize for being myself. Now is my chance to shine, and I know I can do well. I can change and keep going, and I am dedicated to my wins. Choosing to be positive is important, and I surround myself with people who help me do that. I can see my goals clearly and have faith in my ability to reach them. I'm in charge of my own success, and I'm always getting better.